In this demo, we will connect Google Sheets with N8N, so you know the following steps. What we do next. And read data from a spreadsheet. I will add the Google Sheets node to work with spreadsheet data. I will choose the Get Rows action to read data from the sheet and test the connection. Next, I select the spreadsheet that I want to use. Now I select the specific sheet inside the document. Let's execute the node to test the connection and retrieve the data. Let's execute the node to test the connection and retrieve the data. This shows that N8N is successfully connected to Google Sheets and can read data from it. Now we can use Google Sheets data inside our automation workflows. In this demo, we will automatically add data into a Google Sheet using N8N. I will use a manual trigger to test the workflow. Here, I create sample data that will be added to the Google Sheet. Now I add the Google Sheets node to insert this data into the sheet. I choose the Append Row action to add a new row into the sheet. Now I select the spreadsheet and the specific sheet where the data will be added. I map the fields so the data from the previous node is inserted into the correct columns. Let's execute the workflow and check the sheet. This workflow takes input data and automatically stores it in Google Sheets. This is how we can automate data entry using N8N and Google Sheets. In this demo, we will read data from Google Sheets and process it using AI. I will use a manual trigger to run the workflow. Now I fetch data from the Google Sheet. Now, I will use AI to process this data. I pass the data from Google Sheets into the AI model to generate insights. I connect the nodes so the data flows from the sheet to the AI. Let's execute the workflow and let AI process the data. The AI generates a summary based on the data. This is how we can convert raw data into meaningful insights. Each row from the sheet is processed individually, and AI generates output for each record. This workflow reads data, sends it to AI, and generates intelligent output automatically. This is how AI can be used to process and analyze data in automation workflows.